In 1917, the United States entered World War I. Within months, the government rushed to build a chemical weapons complex along Maryland's Gunpowder River. This site became Edgewood Arsenal. Its mission was clear: produce chlorine, produce phosgene, produce mustard agent, and do it fast. Chemical warfare was already devastating Europe. The United States feared falling behind. Factories were built quickly. Safety systems were still evolving. Many of the compounds produced were unstable. Mustard agent could burn skin and lungs. Phosgene could suffocate silently. Large-scale storage increased the risk. In 1918, an explosion tore through part of the facility. Records indicate volatile chemical materials and industrial pressure systems were involved. The blast highlighted how dangerous rapid wartime scaling had become. Wartime censorship limited public reporting, but internally investigators examined equipment design, storage practices, and rushed production schedules. Edgewood was operating under extreme pressure. The location mattered. The Gunpowder River provided transport. Rail lines connected to Atlantic ports. The Chesapeake watershed had become a military-industrial artery. Materials moved by water. Finished shells moved by rail. War flowed through the Chesapeake. After the war ended, Edgewood did not close. It evolved into a long-term center for chemical research and weapons testing. Its legacy shaped American military policy for decades. The 1918 explosion was not just an accident, it was a warning. Rapid industrial warfare carries risk, and the Chesapeake has carried that weight before. If the water remembers it, we'll tell it. Subscribe to River Realm Life for more hidden Chesapeake war history.